How to transfer Google Photos from one account to another. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your Google Photos and log into your account. Then select the photos you want to transfer from one account to another. After you've selected all your photos, you'll find a share icon at the top right. Click on the share icon at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on the share icon at the top right, it will open this page. Here, click on Create Link at the bottom. After you click on Create Link at the bottom, click on Create Link again. After you've clicked on Create Link in here, it will lead you to this page. Click on Copy and the link will be copied. After you've copied the link, go to Next Account and paste the link in there. It will lead you to this page. Click on Join, and after you've joined from another account, you will find all your photos in the another account as well. This is how to transfer Google Photos from one account to another. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.